Yes, hi, this is JMLINCE, JMLINCE Computers. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to open this Lenovo All-in-One 300. And in this case, I'm going to show you also how to remove the hard drive to replace. Okay, so it's very simple. Just face it down. And then this cover, you just press down hard, so this releases the cover. Then there's the hard drive right here. It has a little plastic that you have to do some pressure, so I'll do pressure up and then I can release the hard drive. There's the connector right here that you can just pull like that, and that's it. There's your hard drive. To remove the hard drive, you also need to do a little bit of pressure to release these little guys here, and then the hard drive is free to go. All right, so you can also unscrew this to put it in the new hard drive. So once you have your new hard drive, just do the opposite. I'll put it in one side first, then I do apply a little bit of pressure like this. The hard drive is back, so this goes down. You connect your cable, data and power right here. First the top, and then just apply a little bit of pressure so the plastic gets there, and this time we do the opposite. We position the cover and just push it down carefully. And that's it. Good as new. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.